And now what we're going to do here, I don't know if you know, but we're in a $50 to $4 million challenge inside the Discord. And we just sold our first Terra Luna pump. So this way, our $50 was basically up to 1,200 or so. And now what we're going to do is we're going to start using profits to go into another coin so that we're hedging our money and growing in two different areas. Now, the first thing to note is that we sold and took our profits, and then what we're going to do is we've bought back 25%. So we sold 75% of our Luna. We bought back 25% on top of the other 25, and we're sitting at 535. We have $654 extra sitting right here. What we're going to do here is actually do margins. So the first thing we need to do here, like always, we need to pull up our margins account. So let's go ahead and do that. And how you do that is you slide over to the side, look for that little tiny wallet that they have. And just go over to your margins account. Now guys, in margins, we are going to pick isolated, and we need to pull up what we call the Ape coin, because we are going to go with the Ape coin simply because they have a new metaverse. They've got so much money behind it, and we have Ape Nation inside our Discord. So we're going to support our Discord and the guys inside Ape Nation. So now that we got this up, let's slide over to side. We need to fund the Ape coin, right? So the first thing you do, guys, when you fund a coin is you have to basically transfer some money over there. So here we go. We got our Ape coin isolated, and now we need to find our section here that basically is, let's see here, should just be transfer. So you want to slide to the right. You're going to find a button called transfer. Now let's see here. Now unfortunately I'm on the road, guys, so I'm using my laptop, and a lot of times on the laptop it doesn't let me show a full screen, but I will open this up so that we can actually see a little bit more. Alright, so here on Ape, let's see here. Alright, there we go. Let me see if you guys can see that. No, you can't see that. I'll move you guys over. Perfect. So now what we're going to do is hit this little transfer button, and we're taking from our trading account. So here's our $655 in trading, which is the profit from the $50 that we put in Luna. It's 50% of the profit. So let's go ahead and take $100. And we're going to confirm a transfer here. Now what we're going to do is we're going to come over here and hit borrow, because basically right here, you see here we have $102 inside of ApeCoin. Let me see if you can see that. Boop. There you go. Now your totals here say that you have $102 in Ape. Now I did have $2.90 of extra Ape already there, but that's not going to make much of a difference. But now what we need to do is basically rotate over to the borrow section, and this is where we're going to click borrow. And now USDT pops up automatically because it always assumes you're going to go long. Remember, guys, if you're going to short Ape, we would go up here to search, type in Ape, and then USDT would become Ape. And that means we're shorting it and we would borrow Ape. But here we're actually investing. Now I'm not going to borrow the entire $926 because that would put me at a leverage position at 90% debt to ratio, and I don't want that risk right now with the markets being really volatile. So what I'm going to do here is cut that in half, and we're looking at 463, and I'm going to bring that down to $400, because remember, we already have $100 that we put in. We're going to borrow on this, right? So actually what we're going to do is we're going to borrow 400, so this way we have $500 worth of Ape. We're going to go for 7 days, and basically what I'm choosing here is smaller amounts of interest, and this renews. You don't have to buy back your coins or swap them out. Every 7 days these contracts will just renew for another 7 days. It's pretty simple. All right, boom. So now, guys, this is the fun part. We have $100, right? But what we have now, by making this decision, is we have taken $100 and turned it into $500. So now we can get $500 worth of Ape for literally $100. Now here's our debt to ratio. We're sitting at 80%. Now remember, the margin basically for liquidation is 97%. So if you take a look here, what that basically means is our liquidation price is going to be set up at 97 percentile. Now normally it pops up in this little liquidation side, but because we haven't bought the ape coin yet, it doesn't have a number for us. Let's go ahead and make this purchase. So all we're going to do here is hit our trade button, and we want to spend this 500 bucks. So for $100, we have $500 worth of ape coin, which is actually dumping right now, which is fantastic. So we're getting into a good position here. Ape is down to 815, 813. We're going to kind of let this ride out here. Now, guys, if you are taking any type of our trading courses and stuff like that, there's a lot to do with margins on basically the good entry points, right? And good entry points are based on knowledge on charts. Now, right now, I'm not going through too much of the information. I will take a quick peek here at some of the trading that's going on inside of Ape, just because I'm going to be buying long term here. So now this should already be kind of set away for you guys to where you should already know your entry points. We do teach a trading course inside of the Discord, and if you're interested in learning how to trade or how to read charts, just go ahead and leave a comment down below or send me a message, or go to the linktree.com venture capitalist and come into the Discord and sign yourself up for some classes. It's really easy. I teach a very simple format that has a 75% win ratio, and it literally is so easy to learn. It's kind of stupid, but that's the whole ideal, is to basically have trading for dummies, right? And that's pretty much it. So that's the really way we make it. So right here I'm looking at my ape, and based on what I'm looking at, I'm coming to the bottom of my volume. There are some support lines here at $8.08. I do have a tripled here. Looks like the market is going down. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to set my buy more about $7.75. See if I can catch a wick. But I will be entering this $500 somewhere between $7.80 and $7.90, guys, just so you know. And how you set this is you simply go into your buy zone here. Let me see what you guys can see. Okay. Go little rock star. Love Luna. All right, let's see here. I'm gonna move this up for you guys here. All right, so you go to your stop limit, and we're going to use stop market actually, right? And stop market, I'm going to put a couple prices here to buy. The first one is I'm going to put $7.80, and I'm going to set my buy at 50% of the ape that I want to buy. Second thing, I'm going to cost average buy here, so I'm going to put $7.90, and I'm going to say I want you to buy 25% of the ape that I'm looking to buy. Then my other one is going to be $7.95, and I'll take 25% of the ape at that point. And we're going to go from there. So we're going to let these ride. Now, if you guys are already at a spot you know where you're getting in, or apes on the run, you simply choose a stop market and put a price that's slightly above where it's at, like $8.05, so that you're buying at a particular price. That's it. But right now we're dumping. So we're going to let these stop markets pull in. But just so you know, we're going to get $500 worth of ape, and I'll keep you updated on that, guys. Other than that, guys, stay focused on your trades. Remember to always take profit, just like we took at Terra Luna. It's all about taking profits, right? We're going to support Terra Luna all the way through. The thing about Luna is it's all about the crypto nations coming together, supporting one group of people. Because what had happened to him was it's just unbelievable what BlackRock pretty much did on there and Citadel. So we have to stand up for our one nation, which is crypto. So I hope this guys helped you guys out. This is how we're taking some of that money. We're going to put it in an ape and literally grow our portfolio. Other than that, guys, don't forget to hit the follow button, leave any comments down below, and we'll see what we can do to help you guys out. But that's pretty much what we're doing with our profits, and we're just growing them out from here, guys. Other than that, enjoy your day, enjoy crypto.